Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's a quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve if you're noticing your Windows update is stuck at cleaning up. So after installing Windows updates, your computer may display a quick few messages during the startup sequence. One of the messages you may see on the screen is cleaning up. Do not turn off your computer. So several reasons of these problems are computer infected with a virus, unwanted software, and poor connection network. And for network connections, kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to perform a clean boot. Kung paano ba yun natin gawin, all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And pop up itong run. So dito lang sa box ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na msconfig. Alright, so just type this command keyword msconfig, that is one word, and itap mo lang dito yung OK. And then pop up itong system configurations. So ang next step, so dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung services tab. So i-click mo lang yan. And then ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito sa baba yung hide all Microsoft services. So i-check mo lang yung box. And then next step, so dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung disable all. Okay, so itap mo lang yan. And then after dito, ang next step, so dito lang sa taas, same procedure, i-select mo lang dito yung start up. So click mo lang yan. And then makikita mo dito yung open task manager. So i-click mo lang yan. And then once na open mo na tong task manager, ang next step ay dito lang sa startup app. So kailangan lang natin itong i-disable lahat yung applications. So select and right click and itap mo lang dito yung disable. Okay? So lahat ay kailangan natin itong i-disable. So once nagawa na natin dito sa task manager, and then other solution na pwede nating gawin is to repair corrupted system files. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung cmd or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and itap mo lang dito yung yes. And once na open mo na tong administrator command prompt, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsem /online /cleanup-image /restore health. So copy lang natin yan. Gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+C, and ipipaste natin dito. Gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B and press mo lang yung enter. And deployment, image and servicing management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And the restore operations completed successfully. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung slash scan now ay one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan ulit natin na hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And then next step, so close lang natin tong cmd. At dito lang si start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows computer stuck on cleaning up screen. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.